A very attractive, profitable 15-acre sustainable agricultural farm for sale in Costa Rica, conveniently located within 1 hour from Jaco Beach, at the central Pacific of the country. The owner had the idea of developing an ecologically sustainable community in beautiful Costa Rica, where the weather is always nice. Incredible wildlife in the surrounding forest, including one of nicest waterfall just minutes away. This farm is located in San Gabriel of Bijagual, area of rolling hills surrounded by lots of wildlife, whitewater rivers and waterfalls. With a gentle topography, new internal roads, ideal farm for cows, horses mixed with agricultural. With easy gravel road access, electricity at only 50-meter distance, and 2 natural water springs within the same property. We are hopeful that someone will take over this project from where we left off. We have done a lot of work to get it ready for the next step. Unfortunately, we are moving out of the country and need to sell this beautiful piece of land. Take the opportunity of a lifetime and purchase this property for only $70,000 US. Property holds a free title, duly registered and surveyed.